guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another plan with me. This one is for my Hobonichi, and it is for June 17th through the 23rd using this Peppermint Planner. I just hauled this, and I will put the link down below on the haul. You're going to want to see it. She has some cute stuff. So Friday is the first day of summer, so I thought what better way to celebrate it than to use this beautiful kit, and it says fun in the sun, so you got to use it, you know, just saying. It is just too stinking cute. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hobo out, and for those that are just now with me, my hobo is for my wellness planner. So that's what I use it for, and I love it. It is the perfect thing for me to have for my wellness planner, and I'm excited to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the days of the weeks down. This kit is adorable, guys. I mean, seriously, look, that face for the days of the week. I mean, come on now. That is so cute. And like Monday through Friday has the same face, and then Saturday and Sunday, you're getting ready to see here in a second, has a different face. So I mean, how cute is that? Adorable. So not a lot going on. I did not film last week's here's the different face right here. How cute. I did not film last week's Plan With Me in my hobo. Just so much going on, and I just didn't have time. I'm not even gonna make something up or anything because it's the truth. I just did not have any time to do that. So that's why I didn't. I got these date dots from Crafty Planner. So let me go ahead and put those down real quickly so I don't forget what day is what. This month is flying by so quick. I mean, it's already the middle of June. Jeez. My son's summer vacation is gonna be gone. Plus he has football practice every day, so he's at school every day, bless his heart. So, but anyway, it's all gonna be good. They're so little, it's hard for me to get a hold of. My hands are so big. Get the 22nd, golly, the 22nd, I cannot believe that. And then the 23rd. All right, so got those down, and then now I need to put my bottom washi down. So I think I'm gonna put Fun in the Sun. Right there. So cute, right there. Then I'm gonna use this red washi right here. I just got this at a thing in Michael's. I just gotta find the beginning and the end. That's the hardest thing for me. It was in like a tube at Michael's, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the red in here. And then, yeah, that'll work. I'll put this right here. And then this one down here, right on top of it. Perfect. All right. My dog is snoring. That dog can sleep anywhere, I Swanee. come on. You ripped earlier. There we go. And then put this one down. Like that little pop of red because she has the red up in here as well. So I'm going to use that one up here. Pop that one right. And they come up easy, see? Okay, cute. And then one more. Okay, got it. All right, so the outer appearance is done. We're doing good with that. I'm gonna move that out of the way for just a second. And I went ahead and put down my weather icons because I didn't want to forget what they were. So I will be putting those down in just a second. But I need to put down, I'm gonna put the beach balls down for my breakfast, lunch, and dinners really quickly. This week I'm doing a little bit of a intermediate fast. I guess that's how you say it, IF. So I will be using some IF stickers, but not for the full week. I love that her stickers come up off this hobo though, y'all. You just saw that. So that was nice. Really, really cool. Love it. That there. And she gives you extra little check marks too. I like that as well. She's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna put this right here. For one of my habit trackers. And then I like that she has this one too, so this fits perfectly. Well, I almost said it. Yep, come right off. Right there. That's awesome that they fit perfect together. Loving that. And let's see what else I can use real quickly. Okay, so let's see. These are a little bit smaller than the full box. So how do I want to work these? Do I want to, no. I'm just going to put them on the bottom of the box right there. Just line them up. I love the grid. You can get things so much more even. Got a couple stormy days coming up. I'm not big on that. We've had a lot of rain this year so far. So I'm gonna put it right here. So that's perfect. I'm gonna put this little tiny food icon right here up at the top. So that represents my food. I like that. Okay, so I got some of these out. I got these pills right here for, I'm gonna put it right here for to remind me to take my medicine. Those are Cheerful Planner Girl. I got those. Let me pick these back up real quickly. And then I do meal prep on Sunday, so I'm gonna put a little tiny box on Sunday right here, and with my little girl on here for meal prep. So the meal prep is from Cheerful Planner Girl as well. I have got to weigh in, yuck, on Saturday. So I'm gonna put this one right here. See if I can put it right here. And put this one down for that. And those are from So Cute Planner. I do have a code for them as well. I got these from Cheerful Planner Girls, the eyelashes, and it's just to remind me, maybe not, might be too close. I can just put it across there like that to take my makeup off. I'm just looking to see if there's anything on here that I need. All right, and then I order my groceries on on Thursday. I order groceries on Thursday. So let's put that one right here for order groceries. And then see if one of these will fit in between. Yes. For pickup groceries. And those are from the Crafty Student. And then I gotta give myself a goal. So I will put that one right, I'm gonna put that one right here because that. And those are from DEK Designs. Sorry, I have a code for her as well. And this for just over here. And then to buy up at the top. Actually, I might move all this down because I do want to use, I think I want to use the splash. As my main box, so yeah, move that down. One more time, come on. And then put the to buy. Right here. And then I think I'm gonna use another one because you know you always have more than 3 things to buy. Right there. Perfect. Awesomeness. And then I can use the rest of this for when I need it. I am off on Saturday, so I am going to put that right here. Day off. Nobody's birthday. Family time is Sunday. We always do family time on Sunday. So I'm going to put that one right here. Love these. These are awesome. And then trash. I don't usually put that on here, but I will. I'm going to put that one right here on Monday. All right, so that's about it for this one. Quick and simple and easy. And I will be able to fill it in and be ready to go. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Go check out Peppermint Planner. She's got some awesome cute hobo kits. And I still have tons left, so I'll definitely be using it and keeping all my little weather icons as well. Oh, we got to use her. She is too cute. Hold on. Let's do this. Perfect. All right, now I'm happy. All right, I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.